From outside the dorm, this is the view. It's surrounded by these beautiful trees. Oh, if you're a nature lover, you have to come here. It's a must visit place. So there's this cute wooden seating area, and even there you can sit, have a coffee, tea, anything. Can you hear those bird sounds? Beautiful, right? So it's a 6 sharing girls dorm. That's the washroom, and there's a mirror, and the other 4 are this side. It's very spacious. So the roof is like this. And they've given this small cupboards to keep your things, and they even provided a lock so you can lock it or keep all your valuables and go out. Everything is safe here, and the washroom is also very spacious. So that's the kitchen and the dining area. I'm waiting for my food, and there are restrooms, and this is a place for campfire. Maybe night I'll be taking a clear video about this. So there are a lot of dorms, the private ones and the girls dorm, hostel kind of thing, and mix of like friends. If you all come, you can take a whole dorm and stay. Like, these are pretty cute dorms.
When I wrote them a mail and had a call with Daniela, she's telling me first of all,
I'll miss you, Commune 18 and my workspace. So last 1 week was amazing in this workspace.